Hey gamers! We are back again in another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change name in Real Boxing 2 game using your mobile device. You can easily customize your boxer profile, including the in-game name. So here is how you can easily do it. Launch open Real Boxing 2 game on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet, and then from the main menu, tap on your current name at the top left corner. You'll then end up in your profile section where you'll need to tap on the pencil button right next to your current name at the top. Now, go ahead and enter a new nickname. Erase the current one and write down a new name and click OK. Now, in order to change your nickname, you will need 20 diamonds. Click the change button at the bottom of the screen to change the name right away, and you'll be spending 20 diamonds in order to change your name. You can also change your nationality from the same page if you need. Now your new nickname will be reflected in your profile. So there you go. That is how you can easily change your current nickname into something else on Real Boxing 2. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.